Hi, sophomores. Welcome to your first release of multimedia design. I am so excited to finally be getting your tech course started and to be working with you this year. So, let me tell you a little bit about why the class is called Multimedia Design and kind of what we are going to be doing. So, what you're seeing right now, this is the home page of your course. So, this is where everything lives. So, you can see the welcome, you can see the goals that we have, and then all of the quick links that you may need for this course. If you want to see the syllabus, or you need to get to your modules, or the grades, or student hours, or get our contact info, you can find it all right there. Let me take you along to the modules and let's start talking a little bit about multimedia design. So, the reason why we called this class Multimedia Design is because you're going to be learning about different modes of design throughout the entire school year. So, this class is meant to be an introductory level class. So, we're just getting you introduced to different topics, different tech skills, different kinds of projects, different ways of thinking. And we cover a lot in just 1 year, but they're all interrelated. So we are going to kick off our year with talking about graphic design and what graphic design entails, what you can expect. You're going to be getting to design your own koala and a friend for him. We're going to be working on infographics, and then we'll be working on podcast cover art. So if you were to have a podcast, like what would your cover art be? And so it all ties it in together with Adobe Illustrator. We will also then be learning about sound design, ways to edit, record, and produce podcasts and create your own music. And then in the fall or in the spring, we'll be talking all about programming. So we'll be creating our own Scratch games, learning how programming works in the real world, learning basics of programming, and then we'll end our year learning all about Wix and website development. So it is a lot of different things together in one, but we do them just because they all relate to each other and they all fall into this concept of multimedia design. So it's really designing through different modes. And so what you're seeing right now is the introduction to the course. So you can see kind of some of the things I'm talking to you about and how it works. So again, we're going to be doing different topics, different assignments, and all of these are meant to build on each other. So it's really important that you are keeping up with your work and that you are doing your modules in order and the assignments in order, because that is what really is going to help you get from one release to the next, because they just build on each other. Let's go back into your modules. So you also have the syllabus. And your syllabus, again, tells you a course description, an objective, kind of online resource, rules for success. So what is our expectation of you and how you can be successful? So you should be showing up, do the work, always bring your best self, participate actively, communicate. If you have questions, if there's something you don't understand, if you need more time with assignments, talk to us, okay? Then you'll see course assignments. So throughout this course, you're going to be watching different videos, tech assignments, utilizing different programs, doing quizzes, participating in class discussions, creating your own projects. You can also see our quarter date, our academic integrity, and then you can see a course schedule. So our course schedule isn't fully finished because a lot of things we're still trying to decide and kind of work into this, but you can sort of see what you could expect for the rest of the school year. Now, some of these might change. We are still working on it, but this is a great tool for you to know kind of what's coming ahead and what you can expect. So that is your student resources, okay? You will see that I left you a placeholder because your first 3 modules were all done in academics, and now we're getting into your tech releases. So you will have a release video which you will watch first, and you'll watch that in its entirety. Then you will watch your how to graphic design video, and there's another exporting video that really tells you everything you need to know. You'll participate in a graphic design discussion, you'll take your quiz, and then you'll start to see these how-to. So our how-to videos is something that we use a lot in tech, and it is because I really like to take the time to walk you through assignments and walk you through new concepts and programs. And so these how-to videos are always a great resource and a great way for you to complete your assignments and follow along with them. So you'll kind of get to experience that first how-to video, and then this is where you'll turn it in. Now you'll get a lot more information on all of these things in your actual module release video, but this was just a video to get you introduced to the course, for you to understand what we're going to be doing, the expectations, what's coming ahead, and really just welcome you. I'm very excited to be working with you, and I really hope that you have a lot of fun and learn a lot of new things in this course. That is it for this release, and I'll see you in the next one.